All the tools needed to perform the repair are included in our repair kit. In this repair, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, interlobe screwdriver, a plastic separation tool, or as others will say, pry tool. Safety precaution: before anything else, always turn off your smartphone and remove SIM card when performing glass replacement. Using the pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 screws under the phone. Push the back cover upwards to remove the back cover. Remove the 2 screws securing the battery. Always be careful when prying up the connector. And use the blue pry tool to remove the battery. Observe that the battery has sticker under it. Don't forget to remove the antenna protection. Remove the marked screws. Remove the dock connector cable. Remove the antenna and the speaker housing. Remove the marked screws securing the logic board. Remove the metal protection plate. Time to remove the connectors from the logic board. Start with removing the camera. Carefully pop the antenna connection. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the screw. Remove the screw, securing the vibrator. Remove cover to unveil one hidden screw. Remove this screw. Unscrew and observe the placement of the ground. You can now lift up the logic board. One more screw is hidden. Remove the cover. Remove the screws in each and every corner. Lighten up 3 screws on each side to loosen the clip. Remove the vibrator to access screw. Using the opening tool, pry open the screen. Be careful when mounting the new screen so that the digitizer cable doesn't get squeezed when remounting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.